Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this 4-part series we will be teaching you on how to play MM2. The first part is what type of roles and what they do. Innocent. They are the survivors, their goal is to not get murdered. The longer they survive, the more of a chance is the round lasts. But the innocent has one special thing. To grab the gun from the dead sheriff. The sheriff has a gun and their goal is to stop the murderer. They have a sword which they can throw or stab. They have multiple perks. They can get killed by the sheriff or hero. The hero is an innocent who has the gun from the dead sheriff. If you found this video informational, subscribe and like. In the next video we'll talk about perks.